Now that we've finished converting polar equations and points, we'll look at some polar graphing. So remember, we're doing it in terms of r and theta, not x and y. So we're going to look at some 4 different examples of how you would graph in terms of r and theta. So if I'm going to sketch the graph radius equals 3, that basically means you're just drawing a circle with a radius of 3. So say it's up 3, left 3, down 3, right 3. You would have points all around with the center in the middle. Wow, it's such a perfect circle. So your radius is 3, which is what that says. If you have a radius of -2, you're not doing anything different because of the negative. So you're gonna put your radius on all the 2's. The negative normally is a reflection, but if you reflect a circle, sister still looks like a circle. You know? Yeah, okay. Next one is theta is 30 degrees. So this is an angle. So we're gonna pretend this is like our unit circle, and we're gonna draw a line at where 30 degrees would be. So 30 degrees is over here in the first quadrant. It's about right here. And I'll just extend the line. And you need to show that this is theta. You went up 30 degrees. Cool. Theta is -40 degrees. So instead of going up 40, we're gonna go down 40. That's about, oh, that's what it's 45. Dyslexia, it's fine. Show the direction you went. And there we go. So that's basically it. Let's keep practicing on the next page. Okay, so now we're gonna be on an actual graph. So this isn't so much a sketch anymore, as in you wanna plot actual points. So if your radius is 2, I'm gonna go up 2, left 2, down 2, right 2. Draw my circle. Theta is pi over 6. That's our angle. We know pi over 6 is basically 30 degrees. Killing it. Okay, the next 2, these are little weirdies. However, we know from our converting that r sine theta is y. So we're going to convert this to rectangular in order to graph it. A y value of 3 is right here. So we're basically just drawing a horizontal line. Cool. The next one's different because this doesn't say r cosine theta, so we can't change this to x. This talks about a circle. This number is the diameter. And then sine or cosine tells us if it's on the x or y axis. Because it's cosine, what axis do you think it's on? Did you say x axis? Wow, good job. So we're gonna have a circle with a diameter of 2 on the positive x-axis. We're on the positive x-axis because this doesn't say -2, it said positive 2. So here's my positive x-axis. I'm gonna start at the center. I'm gonna go a diameter of 2. So this is where my circle is gonna be. If the diameter is 2, that means the radius is 1. So in the middle, I'm gonna go up 1 and down 1 to draw my circle. Okay, I'm gonna do another example on the same one. Say the equation was r equals -4 sine theta. So your diameter is 4. It's on the y-axis, but it's on the negative y-axis. I have to sneeze. Oh, thank you. Corona, whoa. Okay, so I'm going to start at the center. Diameter is 4, so I'm going to go down 4. And then I'm going to go left and right 2, because that's the radius. Half of 4 is 2. And there's where my circle is. Wow, nailed it. Okay, you have like 4 more graphs to practice with at the end of this page and the top of the next page. Go ahead and try to graph those and then check your answer on Schoology. See you later.